Welcome to Hisashi Industries, where innovation meets precision. Introducing our latest marvel in ultrasonic cleaning technology, the fully automatic multistage ultrasonic cleaning machine. Designed with precision and engineered for efficiency, our multistage cleaning machine is equipped with state-of-the-art features to deliver unparalleled performance. With intuitive controls and programmable options, operators can tailor the cleaning process to meet the unique needs of their applications, ensuring optimal results every time. Designed with precision and engineered for efficiency, our multistage cleaning machine is equipped with state-of-the-art features to deliver unparalleled performance. With fully automated operation, this machine streamlines the cleaning process, saving you time and labor costs. Say goodbye to manual scrubbing and hello to effortless cleaning. Whether you're in automotive, aerospace, medical, electronics, or any other industry, our multistage cleaning machine is your solution for removing even the toughest contaminants with ease. Take control of your cleaning process with our advanced control panel. Fine-tune every aspect of the cleaning cycle to achieve optimal results for your unique applications. Equipped with multiple stages of ultrasonic cleaning, rinsing, and drying, this machine delivers a thorough and consistent clean, removing even the toughest contaminants with ease. From intricate parts to delicate surfaces, our fully automatic multistage ultrasonic cleaning machine delivers impeccable results, restoring items to like-new condition. Contact us today to learn more about how Hisashi Industries can elevate your cleaning process to new heights.